Before we delve into episode 4 of this documentary, I have a question for you. What is the collective name for a group of crocodiles? Is it a basque, a float, or a congregation? Let me know in the comments below. Also make sure to subscribe to Daily Nature Posts for, you guessed it, Daily Nature Posts. Today's episode is about the wetlands and the animals that live there. These vibrant habitats provide food, water and shelter for a staggering array of plants and animals. Fish dart through submerged grasses, while frogs croak from their perches on lily pads. Above, dragonflies patrol the air, their iridescent wings catching the sunlight. Wetlands are vital nurseries for countless species, providing safe havens for breeding and raising young. Fish spawn in the shallows, their offspring finding refuge among the reeds. Birds build their nests in the dense vegetation, their melodic calls filling the air. Turtles bask on logs, soaking up the sun, while beavers tirelessly build dams, creating new habitats. Herons stand still as statues, waiting to strike at unsuspecting fish. These remarkable ecosystems remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving these precious habitats for generations to come. Yet wetland plants have not only adapted to these challenging conditions, they've thrived in them. One of the most fascinating adaptations of wetland plants is their ability to survive in both waterlogged soil and on dry land. Some species, like cattails and reeds, have developed specialized tissues that allow them to transport oxygen from the air down to their roots, even when submerged. Others, like mangroves, have aerial roots that protrude above the waterline, enabling them to breathe even in salty, oxygen-depleted environments. Water lilies, for example, have broad, flat leaves that float on the water's surface, maximizing their exposure to sunlight for photosynthesis. The ability of wetland plants to thrive in such dynamic conditions is a testament to the power of natural selection. Wetlands as natural filters. Think of wetlands as giant sponges absorbing excess rainwater and slowing down its flow. As the water percolates through the dense vegetation and soil, pollutants are trapped and filtered out. Sediment, fertilizers, and even harmful bacteria are absorbed by plant roots or broken down by microorganisms in the water. This natural filtration process is essential for maintaining water quality. Wetlands act as kidneys for our waterways, removing impurities and ensuring a clean and healthy ecosystem. The cleaner water that flows from wetlands benefits not only the plants and animals that depend on it, but also human communities downstream. Wetlands help to absorb and process excess nutrients, preventing ecological imbalances. Wetlands are a haven for migratory birds. These incredible feats of endurance wouldn't be possible without wetlands, which serve as vital stopover points and wintering grounds for countless migratory bird species. Imagine a vast flock of geese, their honking calls echoing across the sky, descending upon a wetland after a long flight. Here they find refuge and sustenance, replenishing their energy reserves before continuing their journey. Wetlands provide a rich source of food for migratory birds, from insects and crustaceans to seeds and berries. For some species, wetlands are not just stopover points, but vital breeding grounds. Wading birds like herons and egrets build their nests in the shallows, their young growing strong on a diet of fish and amphibians. Ducks and swans also find sanctuary here, raising their ducklings and cygnets in the safety of the wetlands. But it's not just birds that benefit. Wetlands are home to a variety of mammals and reptiles. Otters play in the water while turtles bask on the banks. Frogs fill the air with their croaking chorus. By conserving wetlands, we are not only protecting local ecosystems, but also ensuring the survival of migratory bird populations that connect continents and enrich our planet's natural heritage. The wetlands protect us. These natural buffers act like giant sponges, absorbing excess rainwater and mitigating the devastating impacts of floods on human communities and ecosystems alike. Wetlands, with their ability to absorb vast quantities of water, act like natural reservoirs, slowing down runoff and reducing the volume of water reaching downstream areas. The dense vegetation in wetlands also helps to slow down the flow of floodwaters, further reducing their destructive power. In coastal areas, wetlands act as a buffer against storm surges and rising sea levels. Salt marshes and mangroves in particular help to dissipate wave energy, protecting inland areas from the full brunt of storms. A call to action, protecting our wetlands. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of wetlands, we've discovered their crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. From supporting biodiversity and filtering water to controlling floods and providing habitats for migratory birds, wetlands are essential ecosystems that deserve our protection. What did you think of our wetland adventure? Don't forget to tell us your answer to the crocodile question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration into the natural world, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more incredible journeys. Together, let's raise awareness about the importance of wetlands and inspire action to conserve these vital habitats for generations to come.